Hello, in this video, we want to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse. You can see in the figure here that I have two legs. I have a leg that's labeled 8. I have another leg that's labeled 21. The diagram is not to scale, but the question is, what is the length of my hypotenuse? So if we use the Pythagorean theorem, and that is the square of the two legs, take the sum of that, all right, that's always going to be equal to the hypotenuse length squared. So it really doesn't matter which one you label A or B. So I'm just going to use A as 8 and B as 21. And I'm going to figure out C, the value or the length of my hypotenuse. So I know 8 squared off the top of my head, but I'm checking on my calculator to get 21 squared, which happens to be 441. Okay, and just take the sum of those. I'm going to add 64 to that, which will be 505. And then if you want to find the value of just C, since that's the value of C squared, this might look familiar. You would take the square root of both sides, and then you're going to need to approximate that. I did this ahead of time on my calculator. It's 22.4722 and so on. I'm going to round off most of the time just to 2 decimal places, so I'm going to choose 22.47. There's no units in this particular problem.